Kumain ka ng rice. Rice, sige, mahutumba ka na naman. Rice. Okay, tinan mo. Naubos na yung ulam mo. Hindi mo pa nababawasan yung rice, oh. Ay. Susubuan na kita.
Subo kita.
Subo. Subo, Mama Hana. Joke pala, joke. Susubuan na kita. Ay, kaya ako pumayag mo sa sarap ng TV ka kumain kasi sabi mo kakain ka. Ano? Hindi ka ba? Kumain ka! Subuan na kita. Subo na, ha?
Subo. Ikaw. Na yan.
Patituloy ako. Naglahok na. Lagot ako kay Lola Early, naglamot ako na dyan.
I believe it is a bus stop. What's that?
Well, it's where people expect a great church to come and pick them up, more or less.
So you know where this place is?
Ay.
Oh, they live there 100.
Hindi mo naman kinakain, eh.
There seems to be others.
Rice.
Asakin ko ha.
Opo, o nga.
What does this mean? Well, I'm not sure. But if that's the case, it must be a station.
It's like a bus stop.
Sab-sab.
Stations are here in the big city.
Sab-sab.
No, I came here recently and I don't know many things.
Sab-sab. Sab. Sab.
Isn't it?
Ginagaya mo ako?
Big city and look for the princess.
Kumain ka dyan.
Wow. Are you ready, little puppy? My puppy and I.
Puro water.
That's all that I want.
My mistress and I together forever. That's all that I want.